Hey guys, welcome to the pond, or welcome back to the pond. I'm Jelena Prophet with Deck Pond Detailing, and today is going to be a quick video on how to show you to get rid of bugs this summer season. Filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 today. I usually use this for my vlogs, but I want to see how it kind of feels when I use it for my normal camera. So this is what we're doing. And yeah, super quick video today. It's probably only going to be 8 to 10 minutes long, and we're just going to be talking about the tools and products you need to get rid of bugs on your vehicle. It looks super intimidating, but trust me, it's something that can easily be cleaned off and easily be also prevented in the future. We'll talk about that as well. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. The worst part of the bugs is, of course, on the front bumper. This car went on a road trip and got just bugs all over it. All over the side mirrors, all over the front windshield. So let's lots of bugs to take care of. So there are basically three main methods to how you remove bug guts. Of course, we have our chemical and we also have our agitation. And sometimes you might need a little bit higher agitation than your typical wash media. So first we're going to be talking about chemical. Now there are tons of brands that make several bug removers. I know Geon has one. I know that G-Technic has one. I'm sure CarPro has one. So a lot of the brands that are really established in the industry have a dedicated bug remover, but the truth is you don't necessarily need one. You just really need to use an all-purpose cleaner, or more specifically a citrus-based all-purpose cleaner, because of that D-limonene in it, that natural occurring chemical compound found inside of orange peels. That citrus really helps to break down the organic material, which is a bug guts. It's an organic material that needs to be broken down chemically so you can remove it physically. Now today we are going to be using Detail Coat BDE. This is a citrus-based all-purpose cleaner, and the B stands for bugs. So it's specifically designed for bugs, dirt, and exterior. So it's great for a lot of different uses. Today we're going to use it on bugs, but you can also use it on tires, on wheels, on door jambs, and just as a good citrus pre-treat if you want to do that. Again, there's no need for a dedicated bug remover. Just make sure you use a really good citrus degreaser. And this one is just so happens to be affordable, and this is diluted in the 3-to-1 dilution. This is version 1, so version 2 has more dilutability, but still check out the link below to pick this up to use on your vehicle at home. And then, like I said, the next step comes agitation, and you'll use your wash media when you wash the car. So first, we're going to use this to spray on the vehicle. We're going to foam our vehicle with our car shampoo, and we'll rinse off. That will take care of pretty much 90% of the bug guts, but that 10% that remains, you'll decide to get rid of that with your wash media. So whether that is a microfiber wash pad, a rinseless sponge, or this Sponge Guru sponge that I used in last week's video, go check that out here after this video. But sometimes you notice that your bug guts are a little stuck on there, right? And we don't really want to take our wash media and scrub super hard because that could induce damage to the paint. What we want to do is use a Jersey bug scrubber. Now this is the Armor Detail Supply clay block, and the nice thing about this is it has the clay on one side, but it also has the bug scrubber on the other side. And if you look at it, it's a super porous, squishy, soft material. It's very soft on the hand, so of course this won't scratch your paint. Again, we're not going to go really heavy with it, but the little divots on the inside really help to grab onto bug guts and pull it off the paint. So we'll show you that in today's video. Now the next thing you can say is, why try to remove bug guts anyway? Well, bug guts are one of the few things that come into contact with your vehicle that are very damaging. Bird bombs are very damaging to paint. Bug guts are very damaging to paint. Pollen is very damaging to paint. These natural occurring things that get on our vehicles, especially during the summertime, can etch into the clear coat and cause permanent damage. So you want to make sure that you immediately, as soon as possible, clean bug guts off your vehicle. And you can do that on a maintenance level by using a waterless wash or a rinseless wash. But sometimes, especially after road trip situations get so bad like this, that you need to go in heavy. So what we'll do for you guys is we will do half of the front bumper pre-treated with BDE and the other half not. And that will show you how you actually do need a more alkaline, stronger chemical to remove bug guts that your pH neutral car shampoo can't do that by itself. Now it can do a pretty decent job for you, but we want to make sure that we're letting the chemical do the work and not our agitation. All right, on this side, we're going to pre-treat with BDE. And you can see it has nice foaming action. And then on the other side, we will just foam on. Pro tip, make sure you do not allow this to dry on the paint because it could cause staining. And of course, this is a chemical. We want to be safe. And if you're using it in direct sunlight, just make sure you foam it on with a nice pH neutral snow foam like we're doing right now. Okay, so we've allowed the soap to dwell about 5 minutes on the surface. So this is the side that we did not pre-treat with BDE. Let's go ahead and give a high pressure rinse. So you can see, actually, our shampoo did not do that bad of a job. There's pretty much no bug guts really left, except for a few on the license plate here. And part of that is because we are ceramic coated on the paint. We are not on the license plate. So when we talk about how to prevent or make it easier to clean with bug guts, ceramic coatings are going to be a big part of the topic. Now this is the side treated with BDE. You can see that those bugs are just being dissolved. Now, BDE got 100% of the bugs and made rinsing a lot easier. We had to rinse a couple of times on this side, and there's still a few bug guts left. And some here we did not treat on the license plate, but BDE took care of that all right here on the front bumper. So after our pre-treat, we're going to move into our contact wash. And of course, this is where you'll get rid of pretty much whatever is left over of your bug guts that really were stuck, especially using BDE. So pretty much this vehicle is actually 100% clean now that we just did this contact wash. But I will show you guys an example of when maybe your bugs get a little too stuck. So of course here, there's no need to use the bug scrubber, but if we move in on the license plate, there are bugs stuck here. So we'll go over that with the sponge. We're not going to scrub because the goal is not to cause damage. So there's a little bit of guts stuck right here, and then most of it is still stuck on there. So what you do is you grab your clay, and instead of using the clay side, use the bug scrubber side. And then you can use this. It is gentle enough to then get off the remainder of the bug guts. No more guts. You guys saw where there was the red here and here. No more bug guts. Final results, we have gotten the bugs all cleaned off of the license plate, including the front bumper, and we are looking shiny, clean, and freshly detailed. Now, we might have the vehicle clean and the bugs all off using our product and our tools, but we want to make sure that we prevent these bugs from sticking again the next time and potentially making it easier to clean. And we showed in today's video that when your vehicle is ceramic coated, it 100% made it a lot easier to clean the bugs off, even without using the BDE. Of course, the BDE or the bug remover of your choice typically makes it a lot easier, and it did. However, when you ceramic coat, it kind of works the same way. It doesn't really allow the bugs to stick on the surface since the surface is hydrophobic. Bugs are mainly sticking on the surface because of friction and not sticking on the surface because they are actually embedded in the paint yet. So again, to prevent this from happening, use a ceramic coating, use a sealant, use a wax, or even just top off with a detail spray after your wash to keep that vehicle topped off and maintained so that it's easier to clean the next time you run into a swarm of bugs. Alright guys, that's it for today's video, and that's it for the detail showing you guys how to clean bugs off of your vehicle this summer. You can do this in the summer months when bugs are swarming around in your state, or if you go on a road trip because you are bound to hit some bugs. Do this anytime you have a lot of bugs on your vehicle, and make sure you do it as soon as possible, as for these bugs not to etch into your clear coat. I'll leave all the links to the tools and products down below if you'd like to pick them up. Use code DPD10 to save you 10% off at checkout, and that 10% you get off Iron back in commission so I can keep making these awesome videos for you guys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, because if we get 2,000 subscribers by July, guess what, you guys? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do a Dodger hat giveaway. So leave your comments down below of what you thought in today's video. Share this to your friend, share this to your dog walker, your grandma, your aunt, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Share it to your fellow neighbors, because Duck Pond Detailing is where it's at. Alright, you guys, I thank y'all for being here. We'll see you in the next one.